Have you been leasing a property for your business or renting storage space? Are you tired of paying rent year after year? Call 844-68-STEEL to own a building at up to 30% off now.
I'd been renting a building and paying someone else's mortgage, but General Steel showed me how I could own a space tailored to the needs of my business and for less than renting.
Call General Steel now at 844-68-STEEL for our current building specials and to price your metal building system today.
My building's the dream I've had since finishing my house 14 years ago. I've been using it for a garage, workshop, and storage area for my tools and equipment, and I can't believe how great it turned out.
The economy is improving and the price of steel is expected to rise. Stop waiting, it could cost you thousands. Call General Steel now at 844-68-STEEL to see how you can own for less than you thought. Stop waiting to start your business or expand your operation. That's 844-68-STEEL.